For the most part, that wind should be behind us though, if the weather forecast is right.
I'm happy if it's like this.
Yeah.
You fueled up? You had like breakfast or?
Yeah. Got lots of gels and...
I just had a banana and a bit of all the time.
There was one guy that just proper sprinted off from the start. I was like, Jesus.
Yeah. Don't have great records and stuff.
Yeah. Car behind us, mate.
It's funny here, I bet some of these like car drivers are just like, what the
Fucking bastard cyclists on my fucking road.
hell is going on? Yeah, my mate, because he was like that, you know. Oh, I'll come with you, you know, when you last cycled 2 months ago on his bike boy, it was tiny.
Jesus.
Like, you know what? Play a Chester, mate. He's a fucking smackhead as well. He wants to stop like every 10 minutes for a split.
Well, that Chester one is proper flat. It's just like pancake flat.
I think he's like underestimating that. It is actually a bit of a challenge.
Especially when it's like this.
What do you reckon that ETA is in Blackpool?
I'd reckon at this pace, about 11:30. So much depends on that wind now. Because if it whoops up in front of us. I reckon we can get there for 11 with a tailwind.
Here comes the rain.
If that rain starts, I'll have to take this camera off. It's not waterproof, that's the only problem with it. Shit. Jesus. Proper chavered.
So